In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to your client in GoHighLevel, easiest way. We're going to walk through the simplest, safest way to give your client the access they need without exposing parts of your account that should remain private. Start inside the correct location in your GoHighLevel account, since permissions are set at the location level. If you manage multiple locations, make sure you've selected the one that belongs to that client before proceeding. From the left sidebar, click Settings. This is your control center for account configuration. Next, open My Staff. This area is where all users connected to the location live. Your client will be set up here as a user who can log in and work inside the account. If they aren't added yet, go ahead and add them first. Then continue with the permission setup we're about to cover. Find your client's user profile and click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the user's details so you can tailor their access. It's a good moment to quickly confirm their email is correct and that their user status is active. Now navigate to the Roles and Permissions section. This is where you determine exactly what your client can see and do. You'll see a user role selector. Choose between user and admin. Admin grants broad control, including settings and high-impact tools, so reserve it for partners or advanced team members who truly need it. For most clients, choose User. It keeps things clean, secure, and focused on what they actually work on. Below the role, toggle on only the features they need. Think about their day-to-day. If they handle conversations and leads, enable conversations, contacts, and opportunities or pipelines. If they book appointments, turn on calendars. If they review invoices or take payments, enable payments. Avoid granting access to sensitive areas like billing, integrations, or automations if they don't explicitly need them. Many sections also allow you to fine-tune actions like view, edit, or delete. When in doubt, start with view and add more later as required. The goal is to keep access minimal and purposeful. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your changes take effect immediately. If this is a new user, they'll receive an email invitation to log in. If they already had access, ask them to refresh their browser to see the updated menu. If they report missing items, double-check that you edited the correct location and that the right toggles are enabled. That's it. You've given your client the exact access they need in GoHighLevel, the easy and secure way. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you add a new client or refine permissions.